You know what? We could all use some more cash in our pockets. Imagine this. You've got your trusty boiler keeping your home cozy all winter long. But lately, it feels like no matter how much you fiddle with the settings, your energy bills just keep going up and down like a roller coaster. And that's where we come in. Today we're going to debunk 5 common boiler efficiency myths that might be costing you a pretty penny. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to get the most out of your boiler and keep those energy bills under control. So grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive right in. Let's start with the first myth. The higher the boiler pressure, the better the heating efficiency. Now this one is a big fat myth. Running your boiler at higher pressures doesn't actually improve efficiency. In fact, it can do more harm than good. See, your boiler is designed to operate within a specific pressure range. And when you go overboard, you start losing efficiency. Higher pressure means your boiler has to work harder to maintain the temperature, which ends up costing you more energy. Plus, it puts extra strain on your boiler components, leading to more wear and tear. Instead of trying to run your boiler at super high pressures, focus on keeping it within the recommended range and maintaining it regularly. That way, you'll get the best performance and longevity out of your system. Moving on to myth number 2. The bigger the boiler, the better. Not so fast. Choosing a boiler that's too big for your space can actually be a major energy waster. A boiler that's oversized will heat up your home really quickly, but it won't stay hot for very long. Here's why. A boiler that's too big will fire up and reach its operating temperature quickly. But instead of maintaining a steady heat, it will cycle on and off frequently to keep up with the thermostat settings. This constant cycling puts a lot of strain on the boiler, reducing its lifespan and costing you more money in energy bills. Instead, opt for a boiler that's appropriately sized for your space. A properly sized boiler will maintain a consistent heat level without cycling on and off all the time, saving you money and keeping your home at a comfortable temperature all winter long. Now let's tackle myth number 3. Leaving the thermostat on all the time is the best way to save energy. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Keeping your thermostat cranked up all the time might seem like the cozy option, but it's not the smartest move when it comes to saving energy. Your thermostat plays a crucial role in controlling your boiler's temperature, and when it's set too high, your boiler has to work overtime to keep your home at that temperature. This means your boiler is constantly firing up, burning more fuel and costing you more money in energy bills. Instead, consider using a programmable thermostat. A programmable thermostat allows you to set different temperatures for different times of the day, so you can cozy up when you're home and reduce the temperature when you're away or asleep. This simple change can make a big difference in your energy bills without sacrificing comfort. Up next, myth number 4. Bleeding radiators improves boiler efficiency. Now this one might surprise you, but bleeding your radiators doesn't necessarily improve boiler efficiency. Radiator bleeding is the process of releasing air from your radiator to prevent overheating. While it's an essential part of boiler maintenance, it doesn't directly boost efficiency. When you bleed your radiators, you're getting rid of air, which helps the water in your radiator circulate more effectively. This can help prevent overheating and ensure that your home is heated evenly. However, it doesn't directly impact your boiler's efficiency. Instead, focus on other efficiency measures like keeping your thermostat at a reasonable temperature and insulating your home properly. Those will make a bigger difference in your energy bills. And finally, myth number 5. Turning off the boiler during the day saves energy. Not so fast. Turning off your boiler during the day may seem like a good idea to save energy, but it can actually do more harm than good. Your home's insulation plays a big role in maintaining a comfortable temperature throughout the day. If you turn off your boiler during the day, your home will start to cool down, and when you turn the boiler back on, it has to work overtime to heat your home back up to the desired temperature. This constant cycling puts extra strain on your boiler, reducing its lifespan and costing you more money in energy bills. Instead, consider setting your thermostat to a lower temperature while you're away or asleep. This way your home will still be warm when you come back without putting extra strain on your boiler. And there you have it, folks. We've debunked 5 common boiler efficiency myths that might be costing you a pretty penny. Remember, your boiler is a significant investment, and taking care of it properly is key to getting the most out of it. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe for more expert advice on all things home improvement. Thanks for watching, and happy saving.